Today guys, I'm going to be sharing with us Akara recipe, how to fry Akara, get the best Akara. And guess who fried this Akara is Chinefu. Yes, she fried it. So watch this video to the end and see how she fried the Akara. So here is the raw beans, which I'm going to soak inside water. Soaked it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then here it's time to kind of use your hand to kind of rub it very well so that the back, the shaft will they come off. Is easier to come off when you just like soak it lightly. Okay, now after you have peeled it out with your hands, it's time to sieve it out, and that is how she did it till the beans was properly washed, the chaff, everything was properly removed. Okay guys, please, if you're seeing this video, please follow this page, give this video a like, and drop a lovely comment. Chinefu is a kind of getting new skills in cooking, and I'm documenting her progress. So kindly like this video, drop a lovely comment, share, and follow our page. Yes, she's seen all your comments. Is a way of encouraging her to learn more, acquire more skills. All right, so this is how she's going to take off the chaff from the beans. Rub it off with your hands. Like, this is just the old method, but it's easier and it works all the time. Then continuously add water, sieve it off, add water, sieve it off, add water, sieve it off, until everything is clear. The chaff is clear, remaining only the beans. And after that, now it's time to blend it. You can add some onions and some fresh pepper to blend. Okay, so we'll take it to the blender and blend it to a very smooth paste. And after everything is well blended, then it's time to start mixing it. There's one thing with Akara, like if you don't mix the beans paste very well and you put the paste inside the hot oil, is going to scatter. So there is a trick to it, the way my mom taught me, and that's the way I also taught her. So you have to mix it properly, like let it come together. So to get a very good mixture, you have to divide it into two different portions, add some crayfish, small pepper, and add some onions. Onions is very good in Akara. It's always very good to add lots of onions as you like in Akara. Then add some salt, and now it's time to mix it. Like, this mixing is where the real game is. It really takes time. Maybe like we mix for about 5 to 10 minutes. Heat up your oil. When the oil is already hot, so it's time to start frying the Akara. When adding the beans inside the hot oil, try not to make it too big. A little is fine, so that it will have space to cook and it can also have space to rise. Well, it all depends on the size of your frying pan. And another trick to this Akara is that when I add the beans first inside the hot oil, I like to make the oil very hot, like increase the heat until the Akara starts coming together. Then after it has started coming together, I now stir it and now reduce the heat a bit so that it doesn't brown too much or maybe start burning. But at first I increase the heat. The essence of increasing the heat at first is so that the Akara doesn't soak oil. Like, not after frying the Akara the back will be very oily, no, but if you increase it, it will start cooking immediately, then it will not start soaking the oil. All right, so that is how I'm going to fry it. You fry, you stir, and until it has become very brown, the back has cooked. Some will like it to fry crispy, but however you want it, just fry it and make sure it is done inside, like the inside is well cooked. All right, so that is how I'm going to fry, or rather that is how she fried this Akara. It was Chinefu that fried the Akara. Yes, she did fry it. Please remember to give this video a like, drop a lovely comment, tell us where you're watching from, follow our page if you're not yet following, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. All right, so this is the Akara. We actually used one derica of beans, and guess what, the Akara was much. It was really much. In fact, if you want Akara, come to our house and take some, because it's really much. Okay, so As I've explained before, once I add the akara to the hot oil, I increase the heat until the akara starts getting together, starts browning a bit. When it starts browning a bit, I'll now stir it and reduce the oil. Reduce the heat rather, so it can cook gently. It doesn't start to burn. Okay, so stir frequently until it browns very well the way you want it, or maybe as dry as you want it. And when it's done, you can bring it out. Now at this point, we're kind of thinking, should we make pap, should we make custard, should we use bread to just eat this akara? Yeah, but here is everything, the 1 derica of beans minus the small ones we've been eating, you know, the testing, the ones we're using to do testing. Yeah, we kind of eat a lot even before the akara got done. Okay, so later we decided to eat it with some bread, and here our chef want to test her work. The akara was actually nice. Yeah, it was actually very, very nice. Alright, guys, remember to follow our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Precious Cook, drop a lovely comment, share this video, and give it a like. We are coming back.